Welcome to our comprehensive guide on jumpstarting your solar journey. In the ever-rising energy costs and environmental concerns, harnessing the immense power of the sun seems more attractive than ever before. Solar panels offer a superb renewable alternative energy solution which can be used to power homes, appliances, and personal devices. Let's start with an overview about off-grid solar systems. An off-grid solar system is disconnected from the electricity utility grid and requires battery storage. It involves a range of components working together, from the solar panels to collect sunlight, the inverter to convert DC power to AC power, the battery storage, and the charge controllers. Now that we have a basic understanding of an off-grid solar system, let's take a look at how we can set up our solar panels for maximum efficiency. The consideration in the placement and angle of solar panels play an important role to accumulate as much sunlight as possible. The next step is to integrate your inverter, battery storage, and charge controllers appropriately. This step is crucial as these are the components that help in the storage and conversion of electricity for use. We will walk through each of these components and their function in detail. Lastly, it's not enough to just install an off-grid solar system. It requires constant monitoring and maintenance. With regular checkups and monitoring, you can ensure that your solar power system stays efficient and sustainable for longer.